Welcome to video number 4, finding the right home. That's the part you've been waiting for, right? Well, many people think you just drive around aimlessly and look at neighborhoods and houses. Honestly, that will frustrate you, so that's not the right way to do it. It is important to find the right area. That's the first thing, is the where. Where do you want to live? Do you want to be close to work? Is there a certain commute that you have in mind? Are there certain schools where you wish to live? All of that will determine and help us narrow down the right location. Number 2, size. What size home do you need within your budget? For example, do you have a growing family where you need extra bedrooms? Do you have a lot of visitors? Or are you perhaps downsizing and you want to reduce the size of your home? All of those are important factors. Number 3, we always have to weigh location, location, location in real estate. Sometimes to get the right size for you, you will need to go farther out of town. Other times, if you're looking to downsize, maybe you move closer into town. Those are decisions that we'll discuss and work together to determine. Number 4, are you a handyman where a fixer-upper is no big deal? Or are you like me where you want to move into a house that's already perfect? That's your decision. We just need to know up front whether you can handle a major remodel or not. 5th, what's your primary goal? Is your primary goal a financial investment that's going to appreciate, or is the right house in the right location your primary objective? We'll need to talk about that as well. Number 6 is neighborhood stability. Are you looking for a neighborhood where people don't move very frequently, where you have the same neighbors for years and years? Or are you looking for kind of a new up-and-coming neighborhood where you're going to have some transitions over time? Again, that's a choice for you. Number 7, are you looking for a condo versus a house? That's a very basic decision point that we need to talk about up front. Number 8, big question. Are you looking for a brand new home? Are you willing to wait for that home to be constructed so you get everything exactly your way? Again, that's your choice. And lastly, which honestly boils down to one of the most important factors, what features are you looking for in a home? 2-car or 3-car garage? Swimming pool in the backyard, or no, because of young children? Again, features are very, very important and ultimately will be the decision factor for your new home. Now, we're going to move on to video number 5.